Ura wari munini wa ngavana wathanine wa ngavana Kiraitu Murungi nwe Titus Tuchu na ariritie tumibatari randu ria mwene mukawa ya Leopard Rock ariranendire kinyete nkulukia milioni $800 kiaria Tuchu wete bamenyere kwinokora kiembechai na irio bo baitire yamba batiriria netete ambere na kuria thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru inyayo etikare randu ria akiwa akithira Ruto wewengwa na kwendoriria na aririe Muthuri Murioki no wina ripoti.
David Barioro gwatirite county secretary ndene county Meru agwete nayo ni kirikaro kiao kinene kuna thirikari ya county Meru ni kurungikirwa mbeca no ndugwera ndu ria utirie Leopard Rock kuntura batonekere nya county ingi no nduchina marandu ikirungikirwa
na batwe itutwire twitikitie that president wetu akaria no teginya ntukwimwe twero president atere ya mbeca yu na riwe ndi kirari kiriari ni kingi sana na nteto ya kustua kuona waziri wa finance Mbadi andikirite control of budget akira control of budget arunga mbeca ira Meru County ibati kwewa kende ilitira wananchi ngwe. Number 1 Meru County tionka akene randu ria antu county ingi cionde 46 baina marandu amaingi muno na county imwe cinenya marandu amaingi kuzinda Meru County ni county ingiri kuyerwa ikarungamirwa mbeca no ntu bakwithia batirite marandu
indi amana bubu kuningana munini wa ngavana wakatene no Titus Tuchu agwete county Meru tibiri kuria mbeca iji na mutongeria mugongo William Ruto kithane kire wirane no buri kubakira mbeca iji.
That French investor is a con person. When I was the county government myself, after that judgment, I refused to pay that bill because I knew he was calling us. That hotel would not have costed more than 20 million to be paid, to be compensated. At some point, even the former justice, presiding judge of Meru County, Justice Nambaya, wanted to commit me in civil jail because I refused to pay that bill. And I said, over my dead body, I refused. So I also insist that the county government should not pay. Mfuate rais alipe hiyo bill kwa sababu alisema. Kwa hivyo alisema na alisema
antu nawe Karo Muriuki auria mbunge Daudi ama seneta Meru Muthuri Murungi mbatigire ati ilano ria Leopard Rock ririrwa ikinyera ndura mewas rikurirwo nikenda thineje gutia rwoje twekithira
twina scenario e seneti ekonie mantu ja mukawa jura jwa Leopard Rock daiji no to mukawa jura i president wougite akajuria akariera nduriria iba pushini arandurira ingiria sewage no tuirirete tariff turombe president kenombo nyawa kuririra akire ariringi kana mumero atikadithia ata mwana no thimenti atikainyerwe oni ndi aririria as a mukario no thimenti na muno thimenti. So that is why I'm talking. Nkauga atiri o bukikia Kathuri Murungi bwana Raim bugikia mantuja buiketie ja Leopard Rock ekere ni tinekeni mantuja konie sewage eje irandurira ra sewage re thithia ate reberuo.
Muthuri Murioki Bwana Juma Mutiriro Kangangi.